Sometimes the weight of the world can feel unbearable. The darkness can feel all consuming, like there's no way out. But you must remember this and remember it well. You are not alone. Even in the moment when it feels like no one can see your pain, know that there is a hope, there is a healing, and you are not defined by your struggles. As I explain each step, it offers a roadmap to overcome depression, guiding you from acknowledgement and build self confidence. By taking each step, you are gradually reclaim your strength and embrace life with renewed hope. Step number 1, acknowledge that you are not alone. Recognize that depression does not define you. It is a challenge, but it's not the whole story. You are not alone in this journey. There are others who understand and resources to support you. Reach out for support when you are ready. Talk to a friend, family member, or therapist who can help you navigate through emotion you are experiencing. It's okay to seek help. Step number 2, take it slow and be kind to yourself. Healing does not have to happen overnight. Progress may seem slow, but every effort matters. Take things one day at a time and allow yourself to grace, to move at your own pace. Start with a small step like getting out of bed, eating regular meals, or taking a walk outside. This small action will build momentum, and each step is a victory. Step number 3, engage in activities that bring you peace. Reconnect with hobbies or activities that bring you joy or calm, whether it's painting, gardening, writing, or simply enjoying nature. These moments help ground you in the present. Set aside a time each day to engage in an activity you love, even if it's feel difficult. It's important to give yourself permission to enjoy the simple pleasures in life. Step number 4, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness technique like medication can help you stay present and reduce weight of overwhelming thoughts. By focusing on your breath and being in the moment, you can gain control over negative pattern of thinking. Start with just 5 minutes a day. Find a quiet space, close your eyes and focus on deep breathing. Gradually this practice can help you reconnect with your sense of calm. Step number 10, build courage and confidence. As you progress, the goal is to build the courage to face new challenges and confident to trust in your ability to overcome them. Recognize that every step you take is a reflection of your inner strength. Set small, achievable goals that push you outside your comfort zone, whether it's making a phone call, applying for a job, or taking a social step. Each new action helps build your confidence. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about growth. Acknowledge your progress and trust that you have the strength to continue. After following each step, you will not only heal but also build the courage and confidence to move forward. The journey may be long, but every step taken brings you closer to embracing life again with the hope, resilience, and strength.